Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get wavy text with glow effect on CapCut. So first, just open CapCut and start with a black background like this and go to text. Type in your text and then here customize it as you like. You can choose your favorite font, okay, like this, and then just export the video. After that, just start a new project with the video that you saved before. Then just go to video effects, find the distortion category, and then select the ripple distortion. Adjust it like this. So for the sharpen, adjust it to 100, blur 50, blur and size 50, and then the speed just leave it as it is, and intensity 50, and then twist 70. Okay, and now you can just click on the check icon and go to the video effects again. Click on the lens category and then find the edge glow effect. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the text, the wavy text with glow effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.